guys, I'm Cadet Third Class Tarasoron JR from BSMT2 Alpha, and I'm going to talk about a philosopher named Maurice Merleau-Ponty. Maurice Merleau-Ponty, a French philosopher, suggests that our understanding of intellect or knowledge is rooted in our personal experiences. He emphasizes we don't just know things abstract thinking or reasoning alone. Instead, our experience of the world shape how we perceive and understand concepts. For example, nagbabasa ka ng libro kung paano lumangoy at naintindihan mo ito sa isipan. Pero tunay mo lang itong alam kapag naranasan mo na mismo ang pakiramdam ng tubig, paggalaw ng katawan, pag-unawa sa tamang balanse sa tubig. So it is through direct life experiences na nagiging makabuluhan ang ating talino. In this talk, I'll be sharing a personal experience about love, how it relates to Maurice Merleau-Ponty's philosophy. When I first thought about love, I saw it was something you could easily find, like a formula that evolved affection, commitment, and trust. I believe that by reading about it, watching movies, or hearing others talk about their relationship, I could fully understand what love was. But when I experienced love for the first time, I quickly realized that no amount of theory could truly capture the emotional depth and complexity that came with it. Being in love taught me a lesson that no book could. I learned about vulnerability, how love requires you to show not just your best side, but also your flaws, your insecurities, and your fears. In my own relationship, I discovered that love isn't always about grand gestures or constant happiness. It's found in small, everyday moments, those quiet shared meals, comforting each other through difficult times, and learning to communicate even without words. That feeling of being completely understood by someone else was something I had only imagined until I actually felt it. This experience has reshaped how I see myself and how I approach relationships. I've learned to be more patient and empathic, not just with others but with myself as well. I now understand that love isn't about seeking perfection. It's about growing together and accepting each other's imperfections. This realization has influenced how I navigate my relationships, and I know it will guide my future decisions. Love isn't static, it evolves over time, and with experience it deepens. Moving forward, I'll approach love with more openness, knowing that real understanding comes from lived experience, not intellectual knowledge. In this way, my personal experience with love connects to Merleau-Ponty's idea that we understand intellect through experience. No amount of learning or observing could have prepared me for what it truly feels like to love and to be loved. Looking back on my experience, I realized that love goes beyond what I could ever understand intellectually. It is something that only makes sense when you've lived it. As Maurice Merleau-Ponty suggests, we can truly to understand the depth of things through our own experiences. Falling in love, being vulnerable, and navigating the challenges of relationship taught me lessons that no amount of reading or advice could ever offer. Moments have not only shaped my understanding of love but also helped me grow as a person. I've learned to approach love with more empathy, patience, and acceptance. Understanding that it's not a perfect or unchanging concept but something that grows and shifts over time. Moving forward, this experience will guide my decisions, reminding me that true wisdom comes from the life we live, not just from what we know in theory. Ultimately, my journey with love has shown me that the most meaningful parts of life aren't things we can observe from a distance. They have to be experienced, felt deeply, and embraced fully. These moments have allowed me to understand myself better and have given me insights into how I want to continue living and loving in the future. And that's all. Thank you.